Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cheese is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The cultures and enzymes, or rennet, are added to the gently heating milk. This begins the crucial transformation.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Utilizing advanced 3D cinematic rendering, we showcase the precision of modern dairy production.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how cheese is made, the bottom, not Fritz, from start to finish.